So, Geoffrey, I would like to take advantage of your experience as a judge for so many years. So does it really make a difference for a judge when he listens to oral argument face to face with a lawyer in comparison with a Zoom or a Skype call? I mean, we lawyers believe that by being present and by, with our expressions, our whole presence in the courtroom, sometimes we may convince the judge rather than not. So what do you think about this?
Well, I think it's about the quality of the arguments rather than
the presentation
of the picture. No, okay. The quality of the picture that you're looking at. But I agree that exchanges conducted face-to-face can be a little quicker, and they can sometimes bring out issues in a slightly different way. I think it would be wrong to suggest that Zoom is exactly the same as face-to-face. But I think Zoom works incredibly well. And in many cases, it's just as good. In some cases, it's not quite as good. But I don't think it would affect ultimately the outcome. It would simply mean perhaps that it took a little bit longer to achieve the same objective via Zoom than it would face-to-face. The quality of the modern programs, and we're now devising programs that are purpose-built for the justice process, is incredibly good. And I'm looking at your picture here, and honestly, I don't think I could gain any more from your facial expressions if you were in a courtroom. You're actually closer to me than you would be in a courtroom. And I have a very clear idea of what you're saying and how you're saying it. So I think you should be careful about thinking that face-to-face is the only way to do anything. For some cases, it may still be certainly necessary for vulnerable people, as I said, and for certain situations. But there are many, many situations where remote hearings produce an exceptionally good result.